Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical on YouTube and Roku. Before we get started, can you tell if this is dandruff, lice, or something more serious? Comment below and I'll have the answer in a moment. So did you know that dandruff is related to a fungus that grows on your scalp? It also gets worse in the winter and when you're stressed. There's also evidence that it affects people worse when they don't wash their hair often. So if you have dry hair that cannot be washed daily, you're much more likely to notice dandruff flakes. In general, dandruff shouldn't be too embarrassing, as almost everyone gets some level of dandruff at some point. There are also special shampoos that can help prevent and eliminate dandruff. Zinc and coal tar are two ingredients that are dandruff's worst nightmare. And in case you're wondering, excess skin production and conditions like psoriasis can result in dandruff. Now let's take a look at images and videos of dandruff under the microscope. Also, did you know that the sounds of dandruff are somewhat popular on YouTube? So let's cut the music and take a listen. The sound of dandruff. So there you go, folks. And going back to our original video, it is indeed dandruff. Wow. We asked, and here's what you had to say about rest more.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have no residual sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
That's right, rest more. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
Bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Rest More yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Rest More. There's an Amazon link in the description below.